Robert, let's start today with a weaker than expected jobs report for May. What do you make of that?
Yes, Susan, occasionally the number falls out of bed and we can brush it off, but unfortunately we're getting some corroboration. The plus 75,000 for May, weaker than expected, but we also got a weak ADP employment report earlier this week for May. That's just for private sector. That showed plus 27. So those two back to back are definitely going to focus the attention on the labor market over the next few weeks.
Now, what about the manufacturing indexes? Do those numbers corroborate the jobs numbers?
The ISM non-manufacturing and the ISM manufacturing index, they both have an employment component. The component of both of those for employment is still positive. The ISM non-manufacturing index, which represents the biggest part of the economy for May, actually came up to a pretty decent reading. The ISM not manufacturing index, the manufacturing index came down a little bit, but still in positive territory. So the numbers aren't all bad. They're certainly mixed, and we can certainly find some positive data out there. Unemployment insurance claims still very good. Other labor-related data still good, but we have to pay attention to that jobs report because that's a big one.
Okay, given all of this information, what does that mean for the next Fed meeting happening later this month?
It means we're going to be thinking about this a lot. There's certainly a lot of pressure on the Fed right now. Market expectations are calling for at least one, maybe two, or even three rate cuts this year. Jay Powell and company have been on patience for a long time now. I think we're going to see some changes here, maybe not in the upcoming meeting over June 18th and 19th, but I think they will set the stage for rate cuts, at least one rate cut, maybe two, later this year, giving us some forward guidance that they're really taking this jobs data very seriously in combination with the threat from the Trump administration of increased trade tariffs. That's a tough combination for the U.S. economy. The Fed's going to be looking at that very closely.